a video a fella reminded me of should videotape some of this stuff I've done here. This is a project that I started 3 or 4 years ago, 4 years ago now. It was a Christmas / birthday present. It is a muzzleloading rifle kit. It's made by Lyman. It's called the Great Plains Rifle. It is a 54 caliber flintlock in the Hawkins style. Actually, this box is empty because I've already been working on it. So it's kind of an introduction. I like Lyman muzzleloaders. I've never owned one until now. I've shot several of them, and they were high quality, accurate side locks. So I was impressed with their workmanship and the accuracy of their rifles. So I decided that I wanted to build one. Now, I've rebuilt several guns in my life. I've repaired a couple hundred guns in my life. I've even finished some projects that were started. And no, for everybody else, never one for me. So this is going to be mine. And it was one I wanted to build for myself, and I really wanted to try a flintlock. So the next segments of the video, I'm going to show you where it is on the vise and the bench vise, and kind of explain some of the things I've already done, and hopefully that will help you guys out and bring you up to speed. Hey everyone, thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos and you like my content, please subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell so that way you'll get notified when new videos come out. Thank you. This is the inner sanctum of the inner sanctum. So here it is in the vise. I've been working on getting the barrel to lay down in there all the way. When I got it, the barrel was setting up to there, and I've been inletting it in the bottom. How I did that was I took some paint, some latex paint, and just painted the bottom of the barrel, and then set it down in here, and I cut away all the stuff that was touching, all the paint, so that way the barrel would set down in here lower. Kind of like doing tool and die blue marking paint or blue dye. Now, some of it I've seen, I don't know if you can see it too or not. I've already carved my bear tracks in. I've inlaid this cross. I have a piece of copper that is going to inlay in here. There's a copper cross right there. Bear tracks right here. Each one of them will have a copper toe. It'll look very similar to that. I put the names of my uncles and my father here in the cheek piece. Still want to sand that down some more. I've really had to work to get this stock down to where it's flush with the butt plates. Some of the stuff had better an 1/8 inch of material passed on both sides. This had a belly in it, a good 1/2 inch belly that I had to bring down so it's nice and straight through here. This wrist was all solid from here to here, went straight across. So I've cut that down. I also cut this cheek piece out because it was not as embossed as it is now, where I've undercut it. So now it feels, it's got a lip to it. A lot of work up here to get this all flush. I still have to do a lot of polishing on the metal. So that's where I'm at on that. This barrel, I've bought the kit used, and the previous owner had taken a Dremel tool and he put 54 here, but he also put it in up here. He also did a bunch of other things up here, so I had to spend a lot of time with some files and sandpaper and smooth it off to get all that engraving out of there, so it was nice and straight. I will probably stamp it 54 caliber. I have some stamps. Here's the flintlock. The hammer, the frizzen, the pan. So it's pretty well fit flush. It could still come down a little bit more. Again, I'll bring the camera over and get a close-up of some of these things so you can get an idea of where I'm at and what I've done. This was just to start it, see how much interest there was, and you know, there'll be several segments to the video. I'm going to brown it instead of doing a bluing on the metal and on the barrel and on the trigger guard. That's all going to be browned in the original style that they would have, Hawkins would have made this style rifle. They would have been browned, they wouldn't have been blued. So, any questions, please put them in the comment section. Contact me, and I will gladly answer questions that I have answers to. Thank you.